Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I would like to share with you guys about how to install a doorknob. So, what is a doorknob? Doorknob, or known as a door handle, used to close and open the door. There are many designs of door handle depending on the appropriate use. So, there are three types of universal hardware light duty knob, which is one of them is key entry doorknobs. They are generally used on the exterior door and key access is required. So, let's begin. First of all, Phillips or flathead screwdriver are needed. Make sure your door is measured before purchasing a doorknob for you to install the right size. First, the latch is installed into the edge of the door. Phillips screwdriver is used to install the latch on the door. Do not tighten the screws completely. Always remember the angle face of the latch is facing the door jamb. Next, exterior side of the lock body is placed into position. Mounting plate is installed. Mounting plate is being tightened by mounting screws. Then, inside rose is being tightened. Push inside knob all the way in until catch on body clicks into catch hole. Finally, knob is being tested to make sure the catch is fully engaged. Secure and install the strike box with screws provided. For the entry functions, once the door closes, the deadlocking plunger will be retracted. Lastly, your universal hardware light duty knob is now ready for use.